Hey guys, have you guys ever gone to a position where you need to record exactly how much money you made every single day? Have you ever get to the point when you need to do taxes and you don't know how much you made? Well, this software right here will tell you exactly how to do that. So, first let's open up this compile and run. Now, it'll ask first, what mode do you want to use? Notice here that it will say edit and exit, being your only two options. Now, first we want to edit, because there's nothing else we can really do unless you want to leave the program. Edit. It says it's adding a new week. What day of the week 1, since there's only 1 week so far, would you like to edit? Monday through Sunday. I'll say Monday. Now, how many hours did you work? On this day, say I worked 5 hours. What was your salary? Well, I guess I wasn't making much, so $1. Or, so we can show that it's working $8. And click enter. It will say that you made $40, and it will ask, would you like to enter another day within this week 1, meaning between Monday through Sunday. Do you want to enter another day? For this video's sake, we'll just say no. Then I'll go back to the beginning mode. Now, if you notice in the top, it said edit and exit. Now that there's now a week for you to see, it gives you the option of see. So now let's type that in. So let's see, and it'll ask, what week would you like to see? Well, let's say I want to see week 4. Here's the issue. It'll tell you that, sorry, that week doesn't exist. There's only 1 week. So then we'll go back and we'll type in 1. Week 1, what day of week 1? I want to see Monday. That was the thing that we just put in, and it showed out $40. Would it come out? Monday. You made $40 on this day. Do you want to see more data? Well, there's no other data, so we'll say no. Now let's say we want to change that. That didn't work out for us. $40 isn't exactly what we made. We'll say edit. Once more, but now we have the option for old or new. So let's go to the old week. Week 1. Ooh, I didn't even type in old. What week would you like to edit? I want to edit week 1. And then we'll go to Monday, since that's what it was last time. And it'll ask us again, how many hours did we work? So let's say we worked 6 hours. What was your salary? $7 an hour. Gives you a new input. And then do you want to edit more data? No. You can go back to the C to see if this worked. What week would you like to see? On week 1, on the Monday, you made $42. So this is how our function works right here. This right here is the whole center, the everything of it, So essentially, every single part of this, all of our declarations are declared right here in the beginning. So it's easy to see. They all have comments, so they can easily go to exactly where they are. So like this one, edit loop 1, which is in edit, part of old, loop if somebody wants to edit more data. This is the yes or no answer. It'll go down. First thing it'll go through is say what mode do you want to use, being edit or exit. This is only if the current week, that is the week that we have, is equal to 0. If it's not equal to 0, say if we actually have a week and being week 1, it will go, instead of saying that, it will give you the option of see edit or exit. So you can actually see week 1. This goes through, it goes to 3 different little positions, which would be C, which would be edit new and edit old. So within the C, if first answer is C, 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 depending on how the person types it, it will tell you what week would you like to see. And we'll say whatever the C in response, this will be your whole issue right here. This is an error message that will tell you, okay, that week doesn't exist. Please re-enter. It continues through. It sets chosen week to see response 1. That is, this chosen week is what is going to be inputted in later data. This will go through another loop. What day of the week would you like to see? Going through Monday through Saturday, Sunday, whatever. And I'll say, sorry, that answer doesn't exist if you enter a wrong answer. And then I'll go over here and says chosen day is see what day. See what day is from whatever ones you chose. See, now if this happens, now you have a chosen day and a chosen week. It'll go into this and goes into a vector class. So a class that was made in vectors, and within that class there's another vector. So we'll do the get day, and we'll do the chosen day, which is what you had chosen as the user, and the chosen week is what you have chosen as the user. It'll go into here, go into our get day, it will return day Y, which is right here. This input right here is exactly what the person had already wanted from here, chosen day. But then it goes into our file right here. This is our class. This shows it has a get day and a set day, and we only have a array within our class. It pretty much does the same thing throughout edit, as well as it does with edit old and edit new. Edit old does the exact same thing, but in the end over here, it'll do a set day instead of a get day. So it'll still do chosen day and chosen week. But then let's go down to week new. So as you recall from the program, in the beginning, it will only tell you like edit or exit. This is because you wouldn't have a week to exist yet. So it will go skip this because it'll make the answer to n. It'll make current week equal to +1 ++, which will make it 1, since already by default equals 0. It'll make it 1. And it'll say vector week dot pushback week. So it's pushing back our class, our vector class, sorry, and it's making a class within that. It'll go through all these extra loops that you see here, as defined in the top, are all just error messages, just in case somebody types it in wrong, so it doesn't break the program. It will ask, would you like to edit another day, so on and so forth, and then it will go all the way that answer doesn't exist. And that's essentially it. This will essentially go through your whole program, create yourself a new week, make yourself everything, and at the end it will even tell you chosen day is equal to edit what day, which is given from here before, and then vector week current week is the latest week, since it's current week ++ from up here, somewhere here. We just saw that, didn't we? Current week. Yeah, here. Current week ++. So this makes it 1. Essentially, that will just tell you that the latest day is what we're going to work on. And within that day is the current week, sorry. And within that week, the current day which you had chose is what we're going to be editing. And then it'll give you your input. And it'll give you an infinite amount of storage. So you can type in exactly how much you made every single week of your rest of your life. And it'll tell you exactly how much you made. And it'll give you back all your information. Thank you. I hope you guys liked this video. And please use my program.